The first mistake humanity could make on the moon is importing terrestrial competition. On Earth, resources are scarce, fragmented, and politically divided. On the moon, scarcity will exist, but fragmentation must not. Every 100,000 hectare concession must operate under a unified resource registry. Not ownership secrecy, not opaque claims, not territorial ambiguity. Transparent allocation. Why? Because lunar conflict will not begin with weapons. It will begin with duplication. Two entities drilling the same volatile deposit. Two refineries competing for the same ice seam. Two corridors crossing the same logistics path. Inefficiency becomes friction. Friction becomes tension. The solution is structural clarity before expansion. Every concession must submit mineral mapping data, extraction schedule, energy consumption forecast, transport corridor designation. These are logged into a shared lunar ledger, not controlled by a single nation, not monopolized by a corporation, governed by a neutral lunar authority. The moon cannot tolerate the ambiguity Earth allows. On Earth, borders can be disputed for decades. On the moon, miscalculation risks survival. Now consider high-value metals, helium-3, rare earth elements, titanium-rich regolith. If allocated recklessly, markets destabilize. If monopolized, geopolitical pressure increases. If transparent, stability grows. So allocation must follow three principles: priority of function, priority of safety, priority of planetary benefit. Priority of function means the material goes first to infrastructure. Priority of safety means no extraction destabilizes habitats or shared systems. Priority of planetary benefit means Earth environmental gain must be measurable. The moon is not a prize, it is a platform. The difference is philosophical and structural. Allocation systems must prevent artificial scarcity, prevent hoarding, prevent weaponized supply chains. Instead, lunar industry should operate on synchronized quotas. Coordinated output avoids economic shocks on Earth. Stability on the moon protects markets on Earth, and markets on Earth protect long-term lunar investment. Conflict avoidance is not idealism. It is engineering. Designing systems where conflict is structurally irrational. When allocation is transparent, competition becomes innovation. When allocation is hidden, competition becomes hostility. The moon's first governing law should not be territorial expansion. It should be coordinated utilization. Because the moon does not belong to the first mover. It belongs to the first structure that prevents collapse. Next, we examine transportation corridors. The arteries of lunar civilization.